Hi, this is Shelley Sparks. I'm here at a resort hotel in Vietnam, and I wanted to talk about, this is such a well-designed landscape and hardscape. I want to talk about the way that landscape architects or landscape designers use paving. So here you can see, this is the main paving around the main buildings. And it's in 4 inch by 4 inch cobble. And as you approach one of the restaurants, the paving switches to a concrete that has some of the same color seeded into it. Then as the walkways change into the individual room spaces, the pattern of the size of the cobble changes. It's probably 6 inch by 6 inch to have a differentiation in the so that people know where the spaces for rooms are. Also, you can see along the paths that the same coloration is used in the separations, but it's used with rocks. And then the same color is used in the drainage areas. And a flagstone is actually used along the edging here. So the same materials used throughout the complex so that you have unity, however differentiation so that you know what the different functions are. This is Shelley Sparks. If you'd like more information about landscape design, check out my website, www.harmonygardens.net. Thanks for listening.